Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome back. So, as mentioned in the previous session, as part of this class, I just want to show you what are all the various issues that I have encountered and what exactly the ultimate solution I brought in is the point that I want to explain to you. So, guys, by exploring the things and by just validating the things, by default, without these two commands, I tried executing my, code from Jenkins. Okay, Python 3 -m pytest or Python -m pytest or directly the pytest or n number of things I tried, but it doesn't work. And even prior to this particular one, in order to run this particular activate that we have activate.abat that we have inside that particular dot of when basically, I called using a call method and a multiple methods, but nothing worked at all. Okay, but nothing worked at all. So you can directly use Python 3 m dot when and the source you can directly specify it, and this is the Python test that you need to specify. And if you remember in the previous session, I have created a folder inside the Jenkins, which is not a mandatory right now, as that's the key point here. So what you have a seen, if you have a see right now here, right? I was directly pointing to, this is directly pointing to my workspace. No, this is the one P2. So I just configured for this particular session. Okay. As part of the general, as part of the general, if you see, the advanced, it's still pointing to my local location. With that node, what I can say is you no need to create you no need to create a particular folder in a .jenkins and map with it. If your build step includes the calling of this particular activate, that itself resolves your issues, that gets all the desired imports, that get all the things. Without running this particular activate, even though you run it right, you will be ending up with a lot of issues like module not found, import module error, bunch of issues. So that's the reason it's mandatory to trigger this one. Use these three lines of a code. Okay, use these three lines of a code that solves your complete issue. So you don't need to install all these things, which is a pip freeze and other chunks. So directly working on this particular three lines of a code, that helps a lot. Okay, perfect. And if you encounter any issues with respect to the Jenkins, do let me know. Okay, thank you.